to another one of our equipment demonstrations here from RAM Manufacturing Equipment in Corona, California. And today I'm excited to show you the RAM S16 bandsaw. So this is a heavy-duty industrial bandsaw. And you might say, all bandsaws are the same, but I look forward to showing you how this one is just a little bit better than anything else you've seen on the market. So right off the bat, the fact that it's an industrial bandsaw, don't let that scare you. Industrial bandsaws, of course, are going to be for small, medium, large processors, obviously, but this has got some unique features that make it stand out above the rest. And we typically sell these into butcher shops, grocery stores, pet food manufacturers. Those are the common ones on top of the normal small, medium, and large industrial processors as well too. So now, like any bandsaw, right, it's going to be able to cut a lot of different things. Bandsaws are extremely versatile pieces of machinery. So it's going to cut your bone in, it's going to cut boneless, it'll cut frozen, and it'll cut fresh as well too. So typically, that's how we're going to do it, and we're going to show you some of the unique features here right now. All right, so let's take a look at a couple of the amazing options that this bandsaw has. So one of its best features is this fine adjustment meat gauge. So obviously you can lift this up and it rolls really nice and then locks into place so you can set exactly where you want this to go. But to get those precise, consistent cuts, you have this fine adjustment meat gauge where you can just get things dialed in exactly the way you want them every single time. So you get really precise, consistent cuts, which is important. All right, so one of the unique features that makes this much better than most traditional bandsaws is the fact that it's got full 304 stainless steel throughout, including the wheels. So typically what you'll see in a lot of traditional bandsaws is that the other ones will use cast iron wheels, and then they'll go through a tinning process to tin coat them. And what happens is that over time that tin wears off, right? And then that creates rust issues, and that creates sanitation issues. So the S16 here is full 304 stainless steel, including the wheels. So another great feature here is this sliding table gets connected here, and it just glides really nice back and forth. Nice, smooth consistency. And then if you didn't want to do it, right, it comes back here to lock, right? If you didn't want it to lock, there's a tab that's right in here, and you flip that in there, and then it'll slide back and forth every time and doesn't lock. So, depends on what you're cutting, what your operator's preference is, but this is a fantastic sliding table here for the R16 bandsaw. All right, so let's talk about safety for a second. So out of the standard bandsaws that are available, this has some of the best safety features that you can get, right? So as we probably all know, bandsaws are some of the most dangerous pieces of equipment in the entire food processing industry. So it's important to get this piece right. So as you can see here, we have two e-stop buttons. One's right at eye level. Not all operators are 6'6", but this is at eye level for a standard operator. You have another e-stop that's down here, right here, right? And then, you don't really want to use it this way, but you can shut it off with the isolator switch down here. So it's super easy. Hit that, and it'll start the stopping process. You also have door sensors on both doors here. This opens up, right? And it'll instantly start to stop, right? And if this is open, it won't be able to turn on. Right? So if safety is important, you're definitely going to want to consider this model here for your guys' operation. All right, so let's talk about some of the performance specs for this bandsaw real quick. So this is a 16-inch table, so it can handle the product up to about 15.4 inches wide and up to 18.4 inches tall. So that's the size of product that you can run through this. On top of that, this is a 126-inch blade that moves at over 4,000 rotations per minute. It's 230 volt, 3-phase, 20 amp, and 3 horsepower on this bandsaw. So it's pretty tough. So let's talk about sanitation for a second. So this thing is super easy to clean down. So it has full wash down capability, full spray, all good to go. It's super fast and easy to clean, right? So even any of these buttons, they're all watertight buttons. So your on button, your e-stop button, everything is completely full wash down capability. Cabinet is fully watertight sealed. So wash this thing down and you're good to go. The big benefit of this unit here is that you can get it cleaned down, sanitized, and back on the floor faster than other models on the market. All right, so let's do a quick recap here of the R16 bandsaw from us at RAM Manufacturing Equipment. So this is an industrial grade bandsaw, and it's got some amazing features. Like this is fully stainless steel, no casting, tin plated. It has a nice 16-inch table with the sliding table. It has an ability to do the adjustments on the cuts here. They get really accurate, precise, consistent cuts. It has 2 safety stops, so it's got some great safety features. It's full wash down capability, and overall, like I mentioned, it's super tough with 3 horsepower. So if you're interested in this R16 bandsaw from us here at RAM Manufacturing Equipment, feel free to visit our website at rameqpt.com or give us a call at 951-734-8152. We offer training, we offer service, support, installation. We're here to partner with you in the success of your operation. We look forward to talking with you.